I pulled up a stool like another old fool, trying to get her off my mind. I opened a tab, went straight for the jab, and I threw them back one at a time. Hoping 90 proof might do the trick. She's a hell of a heartbreak to kick. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her man me fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. It's the #1 name for heartaches and pains, trusted for hundreds of years. Tough enough for cowboys, but don't look right now, boys. You sure ain't stopping these tears. Don't know why, but when it comes to us, it just don't do what it does. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her man fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. My time, yeah. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drive. Yeah. If Tennessee straight can't make her man me fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Even whiskey ain't got a shot.
This dance is called Faded Dreams. Choreographed by Maddison, Simon Ward, and Fred Whitehouse. It's a 24 count, 2-wall intermediate rolling 8 count line dance. There are 2 restarts and 1 tag in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Step forward, pivot half turn left facing 6, quarter turn left side facing 3, step left behind, hit your right into figure 4, behind side cross rock, recover quarter turn right forward facing 6, half turn right back, sweep your right, step right back, touch left forward, bending knees. Section 2, step down on your left, touch together, step back, touch left forward, bending knees, step down on your left, quarter turn left side, sweep your left facing 9, behind side cross, step right to side and sway right, left, right. Transfer weight to your left, make a half turn left, pencil turn, weight on your left, facing 3. Last section, forward mambo, rock forward, recover back, back, sweep your right, sailor step, step left behind, sweep your right, making a quarter turn right, now facing 6, coaster step, step left forward, hit your right, step right back, lift your left leg straight, coaster step. And you start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and In the sequence, there are 2 restarts. On wall 3 and wall 6, you dance 8 counts and restart. Let me show you wall 3 and wall 6, starting facing 12 o'clock. With counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, This is the end of 8 counts on wall 3 and wall 6. And you restart facing 12 o'clock. At the end of wall 7, facing 6 o'clock, there's a 2 count tag, starting with the right foot, walk forward, right, left. With counts on the tag, 1, 2. After the tag, you'll start over again, facing 6 o'clock. 好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个 section， 右脚开始，前往左边，后转，面对6点，再一个左转，旁面对3点，左脚到后面，右脚 hitch figure 4， 后旁跨，回右转前，面对6点，往右边后转，左脚到后面，右脚绕，后前点弯膝。第二个 section， 左脚放下去，右脚点在一起，后前点弯膝，重心回到左脚，左转旁，左脚绕，面对9点 weave， 后旁跨，右脚到旁边 sway， 右左右，重心移到左脚，往左边半圈转 pencil turn， 重心在左脚，面对3点。最后一个 section mumble， 前回后，后右脚绕 sailor step， 后旁旁，左脚到后面的时候右脚绕，右转面对6点，后并前，前右脚 hitch， 后左脚往前提起来拉直，后并前。那我重新开始。这条舞在第3跟第6个方向跳完8拍有 restart。我来示范第3跟第6个方向都是面对12点开始。With counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 到这里 8 count。第3跟第6个方向跳到这里 ，restart 12点钟。在第7个方向跳完之后，面对6点钟，要加一个2拍的 tag， 右脚开始，往前走2步，右左 ，count 1, 2， 跳完 tag 重新开始，面对6点钟。